Come on. Who else finds it? When you need something to work, it just doesn't. Damn. Owen did it. All right, you're gonna finish up the rest then? Yeah. Yeah? All right, I'm gonna go home, have a break. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the basement. I am here with Mr. Owen. He's my helper today. He's gonna be helping me with the flooring. We got some other things. There's skunk removal that I didn't want to touch, but Owen's not scared. He'll do it. It's flooring day here, like I said, so we're just scraping the floor. Hopefully we get this done pretty quick, because I got stuff to do. Kind of picked up over the weekend, so tippity tap. All right, guys, we're just scraping the floor now, and we'll get back to you. We're going to do the starting layout, and then I'll bring you back. All right, get it. All right, guys, so how I do this to get like the layout of it is I'll measure off the wall I'm going to start at. I'll put 2 marks, and I usually have my chalk line, but I have no idea where that went. So I have 2 marks side to side. We're just going to use a string line and paint it. That'll be my measurement tool to keep all these in line. Who else finds it? When you need something to work, it just doesn't. Easy on the top, it might pop off. Okay. Alright, so now that I have this line, I know what it is to this wall. Then I'll measure from this line to this wall just to see where we are, and that will tell me what I have to do for my first row to keep everything in line. Hopefully it's straight and everything's good. I don't have to do anything. We'll see. Hey guys, all right, so that was the first line we struck out. We made this all square, and then we came over here, we started laying, we got about 6 rows in. So that's my secondary line, the one I'm gonna measure off of to just make sure everything continues to flow perfect. I'll measure 3 feet off of here, off like 3, hold on. I'll put 3 sections in, 3 rows, and then I'll measure about 3 feet off. That's this orange line. And then once I get to this point, or like 1 less, I'll measure it again, make sure that I'm still square. And then before I cover up that line, you can see how it's perfect right through. I'll make another line just about 5 feet up, and then once I get that 5-foot mark, I might do another 5-foot mark, or I can actually just use that our very first paint line, just to measure off and make sure everything's still square. By that point, there's plenty of flooring down. I won't have to do it, and I can just continue on to the end. What I like to do also is Owen's opened up a bunch of the boxes, and he's giving me 1 per box every single time, just to get like a clean flow, because each box is going to be different, so it just makes it more of a clean layout. More sporadic, nothing's like chunky or bunchy. If you put 1 box down and then another box, you may see different grain patterns and colors and things like that. So that's the way I do it anyway. And just continue on. We're just sweeping and scraping as we go, making sure that there's nothing underneath the floor. Owen's busy over there. He's going to be putting on switch covers. Just checking out any and all drywall, see if there's anything at all that we've missed or that I can touch up or make better. I have that double switch cover. What's wrong with it?
This one is sitting lower than that, so when that cover goes on.
Okay, all you gotta do, what are you using to screw in? the windy one. Yeah, just loosen these and then you put it on. These will move around. And then fit it. Just take it off and tighten them up.
Okay.
This one looks like it's. I just put them on.
Yeah.
Or you might just be able to just don't whack it. But anyway, just loosen them up and put them in. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Maybe I'll get these vent covers in too. Once they're in, depending on what time it is, I'm gonna just try to get the flooring done here. Once the flooring's done, I'll be putting in doors. So if I start that tomorrow, I have a couple other things I gotta do. I gotta get Owen over to that skunk. He said he's not scared, so there you go. All right, guys, I'll put you on time lapse from here and watch you go.
Emotional suicide. You know it's an eye for eye. I didn't wanna walk the plank. But the Mariona, it came like the thunder. I was on my way to going under. Swimming in the banya, I was covered in a tidal wave, But I'm a fighter. Try to take me down, I'm going higher. Baby, you've been playing with some fire. You've been playing with fire. One day you will see what you made of me. Found my inner peace. You watch it release in the dead of night. In the dead of night. Baby, when you say I die, you know it's an eye for eye. Feel the energy align in the dead of night. 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 You can save your alibi. I already know you lied. Oh no, don't even try. Watch the flame in me ignite. You didn't wanna walk the plank. But the Mariona, it came. Baby, it was dark, it was hard to see. And that's when a spark lit inside of me. Oh, I was lost from reverie. One day you will see what you made of me, what's inside of me. Oh.
Your job, Owen, is I want you to get the piece of flooring in there.
He has to cut that piece of flooring and get it in.
It is about 12:30 right now. We'll see if he gets that in by the time I'm done this. Try to use a scrap piece. See if you can, we have scraps like that. You literally need just one good edge. Good luck, Owen. Get it. Hey guys, we're at about 5 minutes. And he did something. I don't know what he did. But he's cutting off like ½ an inch. A really big piece of flooring. And he just dropped the piece he needs to put in, so I hope he didn't damage it. I think he has to cut it to length now. And let's see if it works out. Need that? We'll get back when he goes to put it in. Alright guys, he just put it in. I did not help him, I promise. Damn. Owen did it. Alright, you're gonna finish up the rest then?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright. I'm gonna go home, have a break. That's what it looks like so far. I like the color. All my joints are more than 8 inches apart. They're all about 10 probably. But yeah, everything's working out nice. I'm probably gonna have a couple extra boxes. I'm hoping to have 3 boxes of flooring extra. Well, at least 2. Alright guys, I'll show you when I get back to, I'll show you when I'm all done here. We have 3 more pieces to put in and we're waiting for Owen. Owen's taking what, 20 minutes on this one? 20 minutes. He's all worried about cutting too much off. Is this it? This is the final, this is take 9?
Still kind of good.
So I have 4. Oh, maybe not. 1, 2, 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3. Nice. I might be able to get this done without opening a box. That'd be nice. Good. So I'll bring it back when it's done. We're gonna clean up the room and get everything out of here, sweep it up, and make it look nice for when the owner comes and looks at it. Guarantee they will. I don't know if you guys can tell, but he did paint this. It's literally 1 shade darker than the ceiling. You guys probably can't tell. It's a very light color. But it looks good with the floor. I think that skunk job is going to be 2 days. Because I need him to go put the thing in today, go back tomorrow, hopefully the skunk comes tonight, and seal it up. So yeah, fingers crossed on that. I'll be here starting the doors, and then from there, once the doors are in, I do trim. Alright guys, I'll bring it back when everything's cleaned up. Flooring's all done, we cleaned up everything in that I'm going to clean up. And here you go. everything's looking good. I left those pieces there long just so I can, I'm gonna trim them off wherever the door is gonna go. So that's fine. But yeah, went in, no hassles, no problems. Even got Owen going on it. He put in the last piece here. He put in the last piece, this other piece, and I think that one. And then of course we all know, had to test them out on the new one, on the first one there. So yeah, flooring is done. Tomorrow I start doors. Doors will go in. I'm gonna start the trim as well. So how'd it go, Owen? Good. He put in 4 pieces. 3 pieces. He did all right. Did you ever install floor before? No? I think he saw it done once, so. I taught him a couple little tricks here and there. But Daddy's tired, so I'm gonna go rest my back. I have to, that's the lie, I actually have to go somewhere, so. We'll see you guys either there at the skunk job or see you tomorrow. Okay. Get it!